Hello, everyone. My name is Miss Cheney, and I'm so excited to be here with you to teach another math lesson. Before we get started, I want us to center ourselves, and the best way to do that is to do some deep breathing. So let's go ahead and close our eyes. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Last one. Breathe in, breathe out. Let's go ahead and open our eyes. Now I want to make sure that we can be our best selves, and the best way to do that is to make sure that we're focusing our attention. So let's make sure that our ears are listening, our eyes are watching, our voices are quiet, and our bodies are still. All right, if we're able to do this, I know that we can be the best mathematicians that you already are. Give me 2 thumbs up if you're ready to rock and roll. All right, great. So today we're gonna kind of review. So typically we would be we would be finished with the end of the module. And so Miss Cheney just kind of wanted to review a few things during this small lesson today. So Miss Cheney is gonna get out her handy dandy 100 chart. And I want us to do a little bit of counting, right? So we're going to start with 1, and then we're going to stop all the way at 20, all right? So ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now let's say it the say 10 way, starting at 11. We're going to say it the say 10 way, starting at 11. 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, 10, 6, 10, 7, 10, 8, 10, 9, 2 10s. Keep going. 2, 10, 1, 2, 10, 2, 2, 10, 3, 2, 10, 4, 2, 10, 5, 2, 10, 6, 2, 10, 7, 2, 10, 8, 2, 10, 9, 3, 10. Let's go back. So let's use example 2, 10, 4, right? Let's go to 2, 10, 4. So for 2, 10, 4, you can see how many 10s are there. How many 10s are there? There's 2 10s, right? There's 2 10s. So there's 2 10s. So that's why Miss Cheney said 2, 10. How many 1s are there? There's 4 1s. Great job. So that's why I said 2, 10, 4. I was working with a group yesterday, and they were a little bit confused on how to say it. So when you guys are, counting on your on your 100 chart, and you're doing it the say 10 way, I really want you guys to focus on saying, okay, if I'm looking at number 82, right? 82. 8, 10, 2, right? So this is telling you how many 10s you have. So if I were to do my T and my O chart, that would automatically tell me I had 8 10s and 2 1s. Alrighty, friends? That's all that I really wanted to focus on for that. I do want us to move on to an application problem, so go ahead and put your hands behind your ears. Alrighty, so Max had 10 bubble gum candies. Max had 10 bubble gum candies. How many bubble gum candies did Max have? 10. How many bubble gum candies did Max have? 10. Great job. Max had 10 bubblegum candies. Jackson had 9 bubblegum candies. How many bubblegum candies did Jackson have? 9. Your job is to draw the picture, and you're going to circle the group that has the fewer amount. Listen to that. So Max had 10 bubblegum candies. How many bubblegum candies did he have? 10. Great job. Jackson had 9. How many bubblegum candies did Jackson have? 9. Great job. You're going to draw your picture, then you're going to circle the group that has the fewest bubblegum candies. You have 1 minute, 30 seconds. Go. I'm starting my timer. Make sure you're working really hard and you're able to really, 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 really focus on, okay, how many are in my group, and then how many are my first group, how many are my second group. Remember, you're circling group that has the fewest amount. You're circling the group that has the fewest amount of bubble gums. And if I'm looking at my timer correctly, you have about 10 seconds left. About 10 seconds left. You have 3 seconds left. Alrighty, that is my timer. Alrighty, so let me see what you have first. Okay, so I see some friends who labeled. Great job for that labeling. You had an M and a J. Ooh, I like that. And you circled your group. That was your great job. So this is what I wanted it to look like. M for Max, and then J for Jackson. And then Miss Cheney went ahead and labeled it, said 10 and 9. And then she circled her group that was fewer. I wanted to review the vocabulary around fewer and what it means. Remember, fewer is less. Fewer is what? Less. Great job, friends. All right, now I hope that you have continue to have a paper and pencil by you. We're going to do some addition really quickly. And so the first one is 7 plus 10. I want a picture with it. 7 plus 10, and I want the answer. 7 plus 10, 7 plus 10. I'm going to give you 1 minute to work on this. Let me get my timer situated. I want 1 minute to work on this. 7 plus 10. Alrighty. Remember, if I'm moving way too fast, please feel free to pause the video. About 30 seconds left. About 20 seconds left. Man, my allergies. About 10 seconds left. Please make sure you checked your work. All right, so this is what it should look like. All right, so you have your 7 and then you have your 10, right? 7 and 10 make 17. Okay, if I were to look at this and if I made my T 0 chart, if I had a T right here, how many 10s do I have? I have 1 10. Okay, so let me draw a stick of 10, or I did my 10 circles, right? How many 1s? You have 0 1s. Okay. How many 1s do you have? Do you have any 10s right here? Nope. Do you have any 1s? Yes, you have 7. All right. 10 and 7 make 17. Alrighty. Next one. 10 plus 6. 10 plus 6. 10 plus 6. 10 plus 6, you have 1 minute. 10 plus 6, you have 1 minute. 10 plus 6, you have 1 minute. Go. About 30 seconds left. Ms. Cheney did work this problem a little bit differently just because I wanted you to see how a faster way to do it. Trying to see how many minutes we have, or seconds we have left. About 3 seconds. Oh. All right. So with this one, Miss Cheney did this a little bit different, right? So some of you guys may know, but like a TO chart, right? So your tens and your ones, right? And you put it above your number. So with this, how many tens do I have? I have 1 10, so I made one stick of 10, right? I did a stick of 10 rather than drawing circles just because it is easier, right? So we know that when we have sticks of 10, when we have a 10, we do a stick of 10. Do I have any ones right here? No, I do not. So I don't have anything right here. Move on to my next number, right? 6. Do I have any 10s right there? No, I do not. So I don't have to have any sticks. Do I have any ones? I have 6 ones, right? So how many 10s do I have? I have 1 10. How many ones do I have? I have 6 ones. So your answer should be 16. Okay, next one. 10 plus 4, 10 plus 4. This time I want you to work it as a T and O chart, right? So you have your 10s and your 1s, right? So you put that above. How many sticks of 10 do you have in this first number? How many 10s do you have? You have 1 10, so you put one stick of 10. All right, I'm going to give you guys about 40 seconds just because I kind of started you guys off right. So 40 seconds. About 20 seconds left. Alrighty. So you have your T and your 0 chart, right? Your T and your 1 chart. So how many 10s do you have? You have 1 10, so I made one stick of 10. How many ones do you have right here? You have 0 1, so you didn't put anything right here. All right. Do you have any sticks of 10 right there? Nope. So it's left blank. Do you have any ones? Yes, you do, right? So you have 4 ones. With 4 ones, you always draw circles. How many 10s do you have? You have 1 10, so there's one stick of 10. How many ones do you have? You have 4. Alrighty, friends. If you would like more practice, I would say complete some more problems like that. It's a great way to just go over sticks of 10 and ones, which is also leading into like some first grade place value, which is really, really, really important. Alrighty, friends, that is all that we have for today. Please continue to get on Zern. Please continue to get on Reading Eggs. Yes, get on your packet, work on your packet. I hope you're watching this video. Don't forget about the Cinco de Mayo videos at 4. And just, really continue to try and, grow your brain. All right. We miss you. Yes. Alrighty. Bye, guys.